Hello, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to some more Foundry. Uh, Small improvements. So I may have slightly increased my ability to make things. So I basically doubled um both the plate manufacturing over here. It seemed to be doing okay, like keeping up. Really, it was more to do, and then I got I this poor ore node. I'm gonna need to find a new one soon, I think. And then I went over here because what was happening is the rods were kind of it was lagging. Like I wasn't making enough, so I basically doubled that, and then in the process of doubling that, I was like, oh, let me double that too. So we did that. I may have increased slightly our ability to make research pods up here. This when this thing's fully running, which it is right now, is what's causing the rest of this stuff to be kind of stretched. But we have 500 of those, 600 of those. Well, I could limit that, but I like the buffer. So we're gonna go over here. I researched most of the other like stuff that we had going. That's the power, wall mounted power pole is the last kind of thing I have there. I think I don't know if there's anything that's going to come after that. I don't see. Yeah, there's nothing else. Everything else needs green. In the process of needing green, we need to get these guys going, right? So I need to start building uh, a setup down here so that we can actually start getting concrete. Because in order to get greens, I need basically concrete, right? So we need pipe and we need concrete, and then advanced machine parts. We'll figure out what we need for all that stuff. But to start with, I need to get concrete, and I think for concrete, I think I need to get some stuff out of here. So in order to, like I said, let's see, concrete. We need gravel, right? And then for gravel, we need mineral rocks, right? So we need mineral rocks into gravel, the gravel into concrete. So we basically, and then cement, we need zephyrite or rubble and mineral rocks. So we need mineral rocks and we need, thick- so it's going to be a whole thing. It's so we'll get these guys kind of dug out here. Make me a nice little flat platform down here. And then what I'm going to do, I guess it actually, no, I don't want to go down another one. Let me do this, do that guy like this. So that gives me a nice little buildy thing there. Now to get these things out, I think I'm going to have to dig a bigger hole because, just kind of the way it works. I need to get, because in order to get things out, it's going to be complicated because the slope is too. And then let me see if I got any more of the. Let's see. No, not en- not enough of those. Let's see. What does my inventory look like? Got a bunch of rods, and then let me get about two of those, and then we're gonna basically use. And then I also may have slightly improved this guy over here a little bit. So this has got basically we're using 4 turbines now. Um, so it looks like some of these are. Uh, why are you not working? That's why you're not working. Okay, we'll get those things working again. Yeah, so when I originally built it, that was one off. So I had to move it over one to get it all lined up the way it was. All right, and then back down here we go. So I want to build let's see, this guy. So we'll build one here. We'll build one here. And then I want to get these guys taken out. And then I want to build, there you are, transformer. We'll build a transformer here. And then we'll do this guy like that. I guess transformer was technically over here. Let's see if I can get, oh, that's right. It gets mad when it goes too far. So that first pole has to be really close. Let's see if I can go. I can. I can't go. So we can go like that. We can go like that. So that way that sends power down there for us. Those guys will start getting rocks for us. And then what we'll do here is we'll get for this, like this. And then we'll go this, this, and then we'll go like this, right? And then now the trick here is that's going to be a mess. It's probably way more than I need. And then we'll go two like this, right? So this is going to go like that. And then I got to start kind of digging this guy out. So if we go back to this guy, right? So this has got to go one, uh, two. This will go one, two, one, two. Right? So basically I need to go two at a time up. Because that thing, the way it works, is going to be a pain. Okay. Well, problem is it's gonna be a diggy hole here. Now granted, I could kind of build the whole manufacturing thing underground. I don't want to dig out all of the underground to do it. Because that is gonna be a mess. These guys done here. There you go. Now there's the upper ground. Let me get that guy out of the way. All right. So once we get all these guys done, go dig all these out because it's going to be a mess trying to get back in here. A little bit Q action here. There you go. There you go. And this should allow me to get all the way up here. Come on. All right. All right, so now we have mineral rock all the way up here. All right, so that'll be able to bring us that. Uh, Basically do that, bring it up, and then we're going to start making us a nice big platform over here, which means that we need to do some clearing. Actually, probably leave that one there. Get some of these guys taken out because I'm going to need a spot. Which means my inventory is probably fixing to get full up with junk again. The other thing I need to do at some point is get into the greenhouse stuff and see what I need to do all that. All right, let's see. All right, do this guy. Don't know how big I need to make it, but we'll start with that. There's that guy in place. Get all these guys over here. All right, there's that. Man, that building block in my inventory. What? All right. So then we have those rocks. So let's go in here, look and see what we need to do first. Yeah, let's go here. Let's go here. All right. So the first thing we need, so for this, we need concrete, we need gravel. So we need gravel for this, and then we need mineral rock, and we need dirt. Okay. So we need to bring ore over here too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this guy just like this. I'm going to run you straight down here. We'll do that. Okay. And then I need to run over here. And honestly, we can just split it like this maybe. All right. Oh, that's a hole. Then do that. All right. So we'll basically clear these guys out so that they can meet up. Right. So hopefully it's just this little line here. All right. And then let's go see if we can get us some more. See if we have some belts made. No. We have we have a few there. It's one of those things like one of them wasn't enough, and two of them is way too much. It's a rough life. All right, so let me go here. Let's do this guy. Do that. All right. So this guy goes like that. That guy goes like that. All right. This is when I found out I grabbed the wrong ore. Oh no, it says interpret. Okay, we're good. All right. So we have basically the two ores. So we'll do this. We'll bring these guys across like this. All right. So now if I do this, go back in here. This guy is made in a crusher. This guy is made also in a crusher. Okay. So I need crushers. Do I have? I only have two crushers. Crusher. So that'll give me 8. Uh, you know what? I could probably deal with 8. 6. All right. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Got these picked up. All right. So that no power. Yeah, you're fine. I need all kinds of extra stuff. Let's see. Let me get rid of that guy. So hopefully we're gonna start getting extra stuff backing up, because yeah, get those. Get those. All right. Oh, that's what I needed. I need just make me some of those. 2, 3, and 4. Right? So you're fine. You'll get power eventually. Let's do that. At some point, I might end up having to make more of these power poles. Okay. Just not far enough, are you? Really? All right. Connect to that one then. All right. So now we have power. And then this guy we will have make concrete. This one can make concrete. This one can make concrete. And this one can make concrete. All right. And then you are going to make gravel, gravel, and gravel. There you go. All right. So, and then let's go with 4. That, then do 5. No, I need more. Where'd you go? Here. All right, just make me more of those. So that's a whole mess of a thing right there. See, and then that guy will go like that, and then they're all covered. And it looks like it's like I planned it. It's great. So, and then let me do that. Now I'm out of those again, so constantly running back and buying stuff. At some point, I need to go through, and this whole place is getting to be a mess. I love it. I love it. Let me get those. Didn't need those, but I got them anyway. You know what? Just make all of them. I'm sure I'm gonna need them. All right. So what I'm gonna do here. Let's see. Do 9. This. Then we'll do 4. This. Do like that. And you can all be outtake like this. And then you will be intake. And then we'll put gravel in there. We'll do the same thing over here. And then we'll do like this. And we'll put concrete over here. Look at that. Now we got concrete coming out. We got gravel coming out. All right, now what do we need? Now that is made in a casting machine. So casting machine, which at some point I forgot how to make those. We need advanced machinery parts. So advanced machinery parts. Let's see. Machinery parts and steel beams. Okay. So I need to get me some steel beams. So then let's see. What all do we still? I need. This is when I found out I can't make those things in my backpack. Let's see. Oh, that's why. Let's see. Should have. There's a couple of them. 7. That should speed that up, and that should speed that up. And as soon as those get sped up, yeah, we'll actually start getting plates over here. So once we get plates over here, and then that is able to start putting things out, I'm having to slowly go through and start upgrading things, right? So, and that way we can have plates actually, and in different locations. But I had to make the slopes separate. All right, let me see. Casting machine. Just make like 10 of them. Just a few of them. Now, luckily, I got like 9 million um, pipes. So, and I'm gonna have to run. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough water. Let's see. Let me make a. Can I make a tank? You know what? Let's go look at these things. Does it tell me how much like a pump? Doesn't tell me what it does. Let's see. It's trying B. No. F1. Pipes and liquids. Pipes are needed. Output. Input. Bidirectional. Oh, square is bidirectional. Okay. That's an input. Okay. Um, plunger. Pumps over distance throughout pipes increase. Pumps along the line. Pumps can also use to create one-way flow direction example out of a tank. Okay. So I may be able to just put like a pump here and then just pump water through this power thing. I just don't know how much we have here, if I have enough. And I don't know how much water I need. So let me run over here because I think we can just pick up some stuff. And I think there was a tank somewhere. There they are. Tank. So we'll just make a tank. Oh, I should have got, oh, that hole, man. Every time. All right, let's go over here. I'm gonna get some tanks or some more platforms. I am gonna get some platforms. Look at that, just a few of them. All right, because I need power under those pumps. Somewhere I have them. Oh, I don't have any. Oh, only have two pumps. All right, we'll make up another pump. Oh yeah, it's taking me a while to make those foundries. Do, 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 do. It's a lot to make concrete. It's taking me. It's I'm gonna have lots of leftovers. It takes a lot longer to make concrete than it does that. I'm hoping then. Okay, so it's twice as much gravel to make as cement. So we don't need a lot of water. We just need a little bit of water. All right. Let's see. Let me get. Uh, I need to make more logistics containers. I have big ones though. I'm just gonna make a big one. That'll be fine. That'll be fine. That's a boiler. 16 turbine. There you are. Casting machine. Uh, a casting machine. Right. Five. Oh. So yeah, that's not very large at all. Um. Okay. So we basically have. So if we go one, two, three, four, five. Right. So like this. So I need these guys here. Or I need them over here. So then we'll put casting machines like that. I need to get another pump though. Can I just make another pump? Uh, dang it. Stupid hole again. Where is the pump at? Oh, there's the pump. I need more machinery parts. Nope, that's not what I want. I want to do this. Give me those. All right, now I can make another pump. All right. So what I'll do is I'll have one pump come out over there. I'm gonna pump out to a tank over here, and then I have another pump because then I'm gonna have to go up and go to these guys. So these, if I go to my pipe, somewhere I should have pipe, because I have plenty of it. So let's go with nine. So let me do this and go this guy like this, go like that, go like that, go like that. That's fine. I don't know if it's gonna just, hopefully it doesn't just squirt water out the end of it. That would be awkward. Do like this. Yeah, so it's the rotation. It's weird because the WSAD still moves. So I'm used to like Space Engineers where the rotation takes over your movement. So when you're in it, and then we'll do like this. Yeah. And then I can just pump the pump right into that. And then once I actually get it built, and then once I put the pump in there, I put the tank on it, and then I can just run the pipe over here. What is that button? Oh, it says, oh, it's red because I can't connect there. I'll find out. I'm gonna find out if water just squirts out the end. That'd be funny. All right, so let me do this. So let me do you. Go there. Then you go there like that. And then once I get all those guys there, you let's see, go like that. Okay. And then let me go over here and get my 9. Let me go straight pipe. Then you can go. Oh, it's like I planned it. So, let's see. Nope. Um, let's see. H. Yeah, that one. It goes like that. H again, like that. And then we'll go back to straight pipe like this. H like that. Yeah, that bit is kind of clunky. Does it show me how much water's in here? Oh, it's over here. Oh yeah, well that filled up quickly, kinda. Where is? There's the control panel hidden in there. That's not a good place for it. Configure concrete, and then configure concrete. And configure concrete. All right, so we'll go here. We're gonna do for like that, do like that, do like that, do 5, like this, like this, and then we're gonna do yeah, we'll do it like that. Do like that one, and then we'll do 4 over here, and then we'll do this guy can go like this, and this guy can go like this. And then once all those are done, you get flipped like that. You get flipped like that. And then you should start making concrete. Okay. Why don't you have water? Is this thing still freaking out? No, it's full now. Put on set. What do you mean inputs on set? There's water there. Oh, the water has to go to this side? Okay. So I'll cue that guy. Control Q that guy. Okay, that was weird. Mm. It's weird that you can only input the water on one side, though. All right. Now we got all those going. Do this guy like this guy like this guy like this. You go to output, you go to output, and you go to output. And then you go to 6 here. Do that. And you will go to back and forth. We'll go to 1. And then we'll do like this. Look at that. Now we got concrete. Now we have concrete. We can build things. Jesus, how much concrete? Okay, I guess it doesn't make that much. It makes like four at a time. Like it looks like. Okay, that's gonna be annoying. All right, so we got all of our concrete going. The next thing we need to do is figure out. That thing's full. Yeah, so we're doing okay. We're almost got 100 concrete so far. That's gonna take a while to get filled up. And then the next thing we need, so I need to be able to build pipes. And pipes probably aren't that bad. Pipes. Basically just 2 steel beams, so that's easy enough to do. I can just bring those off and build them. And then we need advanced. So I think we need steel for the advanced components too. Advanced components, steel beams and machinery parts. So we'll need steel beams and machinery parts. And then I think we're gonna do that next time though. Uh, because well, that won't be. I can just kind of probably just pull those off someplace. My worry is eventually, like, let's see, we go back to this guy. Wing. It doesn't tell me how much is there. It just gives me blocks. I'm afraid like this is gonna die soon. Um, and I don't know if like there almost has to be more of them out here somewhere, right? Okay, so there's another one. Okay, so that's the Zephyrite ore. Technium. So we're almost gonna have to come out here and dig down to those also, and get those kind of start to be brought up, because that's gonna be a sooner rather than later thing, I believe, because we're gonna end up having to have more and more ore. So it's going to be one of those things that's probably going to be uh, basically brought up and then just belted over, and just ridiculous amounts of things brought over. Like this is starting to slow down, because this one, we still have a fairly decent amount of that stuff. But those two running out at some point is going to suck. So I may work on that today, just getting those other two things that I found starting to get mined and brought over here. It's going to suck because I'm going to have to figure out some stuff. You know what? Let's figure out greenhouse. So I need glass. How do I make glass? Glass. So I make glass with gravel. So glass is made in a smelter. Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna need lots of it at some point. Let me get a smelter. Let's see, do I have a random smelter laying around? I do. You, my friend, go right here. Do that. Right. So that way we can make glass, and we'll have, basically it'll just be 100 glass here. So let me get that, or 200 or whatever. Let me get that figured out here real quick. Let me get some glass smelted up, and then we're gonna make some greenhouses. And I want to figure out how that situation works. And I'll be right back once I get some materials. All right, we got enough to make like 3 or 4 greenhouses here. So I'm gonna go out here. Oh, we're gonna run down the ramp again. We're just gonna go out here, find us a place that we can kind of put up a little place here. We'll just call this a little test bed section, and we'll see. So let me do that. Let me get some power here because I'm gonna need power. And then go ahead. This guy, you can go to. No, of course not. You can't go that far. Why would you go that far? All right. All right. So do this, and then we should have this guy, greenhouse. What do you do? Of course. Of course. Why wouldn't I need more room? Let's see, get that built under there. All right. So how does this work? Configure greenhouse, biomass. We need material, rocks, and we need water. And that just makes biomass. Um, Dirt. So we need material rocks. So we just need water and mineral rocks, and it makes bio. I don't know. Oh, so you put some biomass in, and it just doubles the biomass. Um, does this thing need power? Yeah, it needs power too. Okay, so the question is whether or not this thing's going to be effective enough to be able to power anything. So I have two options. Either I can try to make a biomass thing and then use burners and then just basically use that to power my stuff and then bring it back, or I can run a power pole all the way out there. Because if I run power poles all the way out there, then we can just use this turbines. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure what the greenhouse is supposed to do. Because and then the other problem too is I'm gonna end up having to find minerals, the stone out there. And I would need to have mineral out there to be able to do it. Um, and really, what I want to do is, like I said, is to build outpost and start bringing the ores back in. And basically, what I can do is I can just bring the ore in and then just like plug it right into this, so that a way, once this thing runs out, like we can not have to worry about, our ore running dry because I need to have that done long before this is done, or we're gonna have massive problems. And then, but we have the concrete going up. I don't know what else is we need concrete for. Probably need it for all this stuff, right? Like, yeah, the core wooden blocks. Modes hold. Oh, we can make concrete slabs. We can just, so it's like walkways. And then, obviously for the green stuff here, we need it. The pipes, I'm not worried about. The concrete, we can get those. Advanced machine parts, we can do those. Now, I do need, just grab all those. Like, I need that. Nope, I don't want to do that. And then if I do this, right, advanced machine parts, I think I'm just out of plates. Because at some point, what I need to do is make a bunch of extra parts. Because I need. Oh no, I'm out of steel beams. Put those back. Nope. Uh, do I have enough to pick up some more steel beams? Have enough room? Nope, I don't. All right, let me go get rid of something here, get some steel beams, because really what I need to do is to pick up enough stuff here to make enough greens in my pocket so that I can start researching other things that I need. Here's what I do is I'll pocket craft some green science, and to be able to get green science started. And then let's do that. So we'll do 40 there. 7 more, and then now oh yeah, I ran out of concrete. Go figure. But yeah, so basically I need greens for all this stuff, and really, what I want to be researching first is the third row lane guy here, and that's gonna take me 75. So I'm gonna hand do those, because the problem is I need to hand put those in, because in order, well, I guess I could run the greens up in the front or something. And then, so do I need to do that? Or do I need to? Yeah. All right. So let me get some stuff caught up in between episodes. And then when we get that back next time, we'll be working on automating greens. I just need to get this thing kind of caught back up and start getting things backed up again. Because I need stuff to make stuff with the things and the stuff and that thing's at 800. Is that full? Oh, it's actually full. All right, cool. So this thing will start backing up. And then once this starts backing up, everything will start kind of clogging up. And then it'll be fine. All right. But with that, as always, if you like the videos, please consider throwing a like on it. If you have a question, comment, or concern, you can leave that down below. And if you are not subscribed and you would like to be, there's a button for that too. You guys be safe. We'll talk to y'all soon.